Got a bike check. My frame is the Eastern Night Prowler. 20.5-inch top tube. Really nice, really light. Yeah, took all the stickers off. It's on my own on. Colt backwill seat. Yeah, and a Federal slammed C-post in gold, but looks like orange, whatever. Got Aussie Twisted PC pedals, the best pedals ever. Freaking sick. And grips. McNeil X-Step grips in red. They're really nice. They're kind of like long necks, ODI long necks, but I don't know. And I have white animal bar ends. They're nice, they're all chewed up. I'll lay my bike down with. So, I have McNeil valve caps, stock tires. We have stock everything on the bike. Stock stem. But the thing I just got today, Colony sprocket. It's pretty sick. Out of black. Yeah. Mother sprocket's bent, so I had to get a new one. So I got Colony sprockets. 25 tooth. 25 to 9. Drive side hub. All that. Yeah. It's a bike check. Oh yeah, my bike weighs about 24, 26